tires are finally in. Got the rims mounted on the tires. Had to take it to the tire shop, but quite the difference. Hellaciously more back spacing. We weren't even able to get these off these rims yesterday. The tire machine that I bought, a little $60 one on the Amazon manual machine, would not do it. But anyhow, we're gonna put them on, and you're gonna watch. And thanks to editing magic, it'll be really quick. Well, can you see the difference now? Well, anyhow, I'm going to go and weigh the other one and the factory tire inside, see what the actual weight of them is, and I'll let you guys know. So, scale zeroed out. $28.8 pounds. $56.2 pounds. Oh. So just for those of you that want to know, that's the difference. Well, anyhow, there it is, guys. That is a hell of an improvement. Can't wait to go try it out. Well, anyhow, guys, here it is, all completely decked out with its new rubber on and new wheelbase. I love these Black Mambas. We've tried them out, took it out on a ride. This thing, it made all the difference in the world of how this thing functions. I know it looks a little ridiculous and like a little overkill, but it really is not. These things just straight perform. Haven't tried it out in any mud yet, but in the dirt is just phenomenal. And the stability is the biggest thing. Changing the wheelbase and adding these wider rims in the back, or wider offsets, same dimensions, but it made all the difference in the world as far as the wheelbase goes. And I'll put some clips of it here in a minute. But anyhow, the tire size is 26 by 12 in the back, and 26 10 12 in the front. The back rims, these are ITP steel wheels, and yeah, I got the center caps too. Why not? They're 2.5 offset in the back and a 5.2 offset in the front. No rubbing, didn't adjust the preload, no lift, and it works phenomenal. Doesn't feel labored whatsoever. No extra effort in power steering, nothing. And I mean, these things are just awesome. On top of the extra stability, I mean, I can kick this thing sideways now and doesn't feel top heavy at all. And one other great thing is if you're in two-wheel drive and hit your rear brakes going down a steep hill, now you can actually stop. I'll put a clip of that right here. But yeah, absolutely awesome tire combination. And you would think with it sticking that far out from the fender, you'd be just getting completely covered with dirt. Nope, not at all. I'm thinking mainly because the front tires are still sitting in the fenders. For the most part, they might be out just a touch, but yeah, I absolutely love them. They do not ride rough at all. Only time you ever even feel it is when you're just barely creepy crawling, and you can kind of feel them be a little rough. They make a little bit of extra noise, kind of like running a mud tire on a off-road vehicle, like off-road vehicles I might have, but they're not bad at all. They seem to wear good from what I could tell. I haven't put a whole lot of time on these yet, but oh, the traction is just phenomenal. It still spins tires, but at least it spins them and gets gone now. Doesn't just spin for days. And the 1-inch higher, 1-inch taller tire doesn't seem to over labor the motor whatsoever or the transmission. I mean, it still has more than ample power to get up anything you want to point at. It, still spins them and all that, but man, it's just a night and day difference. Best purchase ever, I think. The tires, we tried to mount them with a little tire machine I bought, and that just absolutely was not happening. These tires are tough. Wound up taking it to a tire shop. Cost like $40 to have them mounted. Wasn't a big deal. The tire shop did have a little bit of trouble getting them to beat up, and so what we did is we just put 30 pounds of air in them, and on the back of the bead where they didn't want to seat up, we just set them out in the sun for a little bit, and they popped right on, no problem. I'm running them with 4 pounds of air in them right now, and I'm getting pretty good contact, especially on the fronts. The rears might even go down another pound or so just to add to it, but man, I'm telling you what, that just made this machine absolutely phenomenal. I mean, it just is just night and day. But anyhow, I'll show you guys some before and after photos and some clips of this thing out in the trails. Anyhow, SoCal Cyber, thanks for watching. In the description down below, there'll be my affiliate link for where I got the rims and tires off Amazon. And if you're thinking about buying this combination, I appreciate it if you click on those and give me a little kickback. It would really help. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 views so I can keep my monetization. I got like 770 subscribers at this point, and I'm trying to get to that magical 1,000 subscribers mark so I can retain my partnership with YouTube or whatever. But anyhow, there it is there. I mean, the only performance mod I've done to it thus far is the clean and air filter, and I changed the oil as per the 100-mile mark on the deal, and that's it. Anyhow, there she is. Lookout Sniper signing off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.